Hi all, in this module we are going to learn in detail about some of the essential 21st century skills that students need to have and how we can promote them in today's classrooms. By the end of this module, I hope you will be able to address the 21st century skills through making some alterations to your lesson plans and the way you conduct classes in your classroom. 21st century skills are the essential skills and abilities that students need today in order to succeed in their careers. Some of the skills are being able to solve problems, have analytical thinking, have sufficient media and information literacy, be able to navigate around the use of technology, etc. Out of the many of these essential skills, more emphasis is given to the four C's, which is communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity. Making sure that our students are competent in these skills will increase their confidence and their desire to learn. So let's take a look at each of these skills in turn, as well as ways to incorporate them in their classroom. Communicating thoughts and ideas in the classroom is an important element to the 21st century learning. As students are encouraged to think on their own and share their thoughts, they must be able to communicate those ideas with others. There are many ways to communicate in today's classroom: computers, iPads, internet, cell phones, and many more gadgets. The 21st century classroom is designed for students to communicate with each other, working in small groups, working together towards a very common goal. Classrooms today should be encouraging our students to think outside the box. Too many students are sitting in the back of the classroom or being silent when they have so much to offer. In the new 21st century classroom, the students are encouraged to reach into his or her creative mind and find new ways to learn and process information, along with sharing that information with others. You can get your students creating things across a range of media formats. This could be recording video blogs, podcasts, panel shows, infographics, slideshows, and many more. Imagine how greater the learning environment would be by having students teaching each other while working together on ideas and projects. The 21st century classroom encourages project based learning, which lets the whole classroom to be broken down into smaller groups and allowing students to collaborate on ideas, projects, assignments, and many more. This lets their mind to expand and take charge of their own learning experiences. Critical thinking may sound a little imposing and complex, but it is simply referring to the process of students applying what they learn in class in a meaningful and creative ways beyond the surface level. It also means being able to assemble your knowledge in order to form reasoned opinions and making judgments. Comparison and categorization activities are two simple yet effective ways to practice critical thinking skills. Another way to encourage critical thinking is to ask students lots of hypothetical questions to engage their imagination, especially when you're introducing a new topic for the very first time. EdTech tools help students learn relevant course content in an engaging and applicable way, and they often teach computer and digital literacy skills as well. In order to promote the 21st century skills, there are very few alternatives to including education technology in your classroom.